Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice. Hit enter. I directly got this task's UI because I auto set my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. Today we will see day 51 execute rolling updates in Kubernetes task as part of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. We got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. An application currently running on the Kubernetes cluster employs the Nginx web server. The Nautilus application development team has introduced some recent changes that need deployment. They have crafted an image Nginx 1.19 with the latest updates. Execute a rolling update for this application integrating the Nginx 1.19 image. The deployment is named Nginx-deployment. Ensure all pods are operational post-update. Note that kubectl utility on jump host is set up to operate with the Kubernetes cluster. I am here on the jump host. Let me check kubectl installation in this particular host kubectl version. It confirms that kubectl is installed in our host. Now let me do the kubectl get deployments. We have one deployment named nginx-deployment as I mentioned. Let me describe it. Kubectl describe deploy nginx-deployment. So deploy is a short form of deployment, guys. Anything will work. And here is the details about our deployment. Nginx-deployment is the name. Namespace is default, and then three are replicas. These are selectors, annotations, labels, rolling upgrade strategy. So these are all the details. Image used for the nginx-container is 1.16. Now we need to change it to 1.19. All right. Now let me do the kubectl. We have to do the rolling update. So for rolling update, we can use kubectl set image and then name of our deployment. So it is like nginx-deployment. Nginx-deployment, and our current container name is nginx-container, and then name of our new image. So it will be nginx 1.19, and then hit enter. Right, I think something is missing here. So we can use set image help to get the commands help. If in case we forgot anything, then we can get it with this command. All right, so this is the one deployment slash nginx. So here we are supposed to give equals to, not colon, so that will be working inside manifest file, but when we are doing imperative way, we have to give equals to symbol. Now it is updated. You see kubectl get deploy. Still we are having only one deployment, nginx-deployment. Now let me do the kubectl describe nginx-deployment, describe deploy nginx-deployment. If we see the updates, so that's all the updates happened. Scale up, scale down. Image got changed from nginx 1 point something to 1.19. Here earlier it was 1.16, later on it 1.19. All right. As we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of or 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.